Going up to the sky deck. So this is the sky deck, 360 degrees around the whole city. That's the stadium. It opens up too. See it?
It does? Wow.
Over there. So that's the stadium right there. Oh, you can't see. Right there's the stadium. It's the field opens up, and here was what I was talking about. They had the F1 Grand Prix circuit race. See the track? The track goes all the way around. They blocked off the whole city, or not the whole city, but a bunch of streets in the city, and the Grand Prix race went all around. It's pretty crazy. In the Marina Bay Sands, they have 3 towers. They have 3 towers. All 3 towers are hotels, but it's massive. Check this out. So we are in an extremely expensive, like fancy mall. If you ever seen the movie Crazy Rich Asians, this is like a mall for them because they have all high-end brand clothing stores. Check out this restaurant. It's really like high quality and fancy. So all your high-end clothing brands this is it. We're trying to find the way to, I see it. Trying to find a way to get to the city. So there's a bridge that you cross over to get there. And we can't find it. So I'm in the food court right now. They got all different kind of local foods here. Oh, look at this duck. Look at the duck and the pig. Oh, that looks good. A1. I might get the A. Bunch of stuff. Oh, this is hard. Ali's Grill. What should I get here?
2 hours later.
Bags are here.
It's big.
Bigger than the other one. Oh, look at it, opened by itself.
It's gonna be nice at nighttime.
Nice view. So that was our old hotel. And here's our new view. Pretty cool.
This is really big.
Yeah, it's dope. Right now we are on, why am I never, there we go. We are on our way to the Cloud Forest, which is like right next to it's in the garden by the bay, but the Cloud Forest is its own thing and it has a huge waterfall inside and it's really cool. So that's where we're headed right now for our last night in Singapore, doing a little bit of the gardens by the bay, and then we're gonna go up on the Skytrack. This way. Not, it's fine. Oh, this is cool. The map. So this is the map of the Cloud Forest. Where we're gonna go first. So we're aiming here in the fall. So all right, let's explore. Those are Those are glass. Really cool. We're on like a suspension bridge, like a bridge, and it goes all the way around. The whole thing is pretty cool. And we're like 6 stories up. Look how high we are. All the way down there. Pretty cool. On our way to the Skyway, which is up there. It's like a bridge up there that connects to all the groves. And it says it stops at 8. And it's like 8:02, so we're gonna see if we can make it. Oh, this is really cool. Like, this is dope. You can see the whole city, all the lights, the groves, colors, different kind of colors. It's really cool. And we're about, I don't even know how high we are, 60 feet maybe. I don't know how high it is, but yeah. And then we're staying on the 37th floor of that hotel. Skywalk thing. We're going back to the hotel. We're going back to the hotel. We gotta be up really early to get to the airport because we're leaving Singapore tomorrow and we're going to flying to Bali. It's probably like a 3-hour flight, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna have to go back to the hotel room, go to bed, wake up early, fly to Bali. Should be another eventful, that's a word, day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. What do you think about Singapore? Leave it in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos.